So my name is James Lee, and for my layer A, I decided to do a research about the dark matter and the dark energy. So first off, the majority of the universe is filled with dark energy. To be exact, 68% of the universe is filled with dark energy, and 27% is filled with dark matter. And surprisingly, the rest, everything on Earth, everything ever observed with all of our instruments, and all normal matter adds up to less than 5% of the universe. So what really is dark energy? Frankly speaking, there are more things that are yet to be discovered than what we already know. Based on what we already know, dark energy is a hypothetical energy that is throughout the space. We know how much dark energy there is because we know that if it affects the expansion of the universe as shown in this diagram. Moving on, dark matter is a theoretical substance that makes parts of the universe. Nobody has seen the dark matter because it is pretty much invisible, and there are enough scientific evidence to prove it. Unlike the normal matter that makes up stars and planets, well, it would reflect no light, give off no radio waves, and emit no radiation. In other words, dark matter would not interact with any electromagnetic spectrum. Some scientists believe that the dark matter is made of neutrinos. So, how do we know they exist if we can't even see them? Basically, Albert Einstein was the first one to realize that empty space is not really empty and is filled with dark energy. He proved it by using the quantum theory of matter. And dark matter was first proposed in the 1930s by the Swiss American astronomer Fritz Zwicky. He was observing the cluster of galaxies when he noticed something that didn't add up. The galaxies were revolving around the center of the cluster faster than they should have been, based on their mass. According to his calculation, the galaxies he saw should have been 400 times more massive in order to be spinning that fast. Gravitational lensing is basically when the gravity of massive objects bends light, which creates optical illusion. But recently, telescopes showed lensing effect caused by nothing at all. Back to my original question, which was how does the dark matter and the dark energy affect the expansion of the universe? And of course, there aren't a lot of information about them, but I could get some from researching. From the Hubble expansion theory, it says that the expansion of the universe is being dominated not by matter, but by dark energy. We learned that dark energy causes distant supernovae to appear fainter than they would in purely matter-dominated universe.